Hey everyone, it's Code Awesome 28 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple automation in the Shortcuts app. This automation adjusts the screen brightness depending on your current brightness level. This is a great way to manage your screen's brightness for a better bedtime experience. First, you will want to find the Shortcuts app. If you are unable to find it, you can search for the app by pulling down the screen. Then, type the app name like this. If you haven't got it downloaded, pause this video and go do so in the App Store. Once you have it, come back to this video and continue. So once you have typed it in, click on it as this will open the app. You will want to press this plus button on the top right corner next to select and the search bar. This is now where you can make any shortcut you want. First of all, you want to find set color filters. You can do this by selecting the search bar on the right hand side, then typing in whatever you want. So we want set color filters, so we're going to type that in like this. Set color filters. Once you've typed it in, select it like that. Then we're going to change this on to off. The next thing we're going to do is get device details. Select that, change the device name to current brightness, which is third to last from the bottom. After that, we want to find the if function. So type in if. Select this, then change this is to, which is less than or equal to, the second to last option. Then add this number of 0.5 as this is half. Once you've done that, we want to find set brightness. Select that and then move it underneath if. Now change this 50% to whatever your preferred brightness of your iOS device is. So if it's 75%, put it at 75%. Like this. Now we want to get another set brightness. Now the easier way to do that is, instead of just typing it in again and selecting it like that, we can just duplicate it by pressing this image and then the duplicate option here. Move this second brightness option over there and change the 75% to 0. Once you've done that, we're going to do one final thing, which is to get set color filters again. Now, from what I just showed you, we can duplicate it like this. Then move this second one over there and change it off to on. And there you have it. That's your shortcut done. Now, if you want to add it to your home screen, you can do so by pressing this box and arrow up button next to the play button. Like that. And then add to home screen. Here is where you can name it, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want. You can customize it to your own liking. So I'm going to put template, change the color to like a yellow. You can also change the symbol to whatever you like. So as this is a bedtime shortcut, we will put it as a bed. So type in bed and select this option. There. Now all you have to do is press this add button on the top right corner like that, and it will add it for you. So whenever you press this, it will activate the shortcut and you won't have to do anything else. If you want to change it back, you can just press it again and it will be back to normal. This shortcut is now ready to go. However, if you want to take it even further, I'll be making a follow-up video soon that expands on this for extra bedtime automation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have an awesome day, and peace.